Hey everybody, this is Tim at Miridia Technology. Wanted to say happy holidays and hope everything is going well for you guys out there in the world. Everything is going amazing for us here in Boise, Idaho, and want to wish everyone a happy holiday. Today, I just want to tell you we're sending out our next affiliate promo with our Christmas Day sale. So I wanted to grab that really quick and show you what it looks like. And if you have questions, I can help you out with that too. So I'll just put this on my screen right here for holiday affiliate email. So this is what the email looks like, and this is what you'll be receiving just here by the end of today. So it talks a little bit about our program for our Christmas sale and basically says, hey, we're doing our Christmas sale. And here's some of the messages that we're talking about during our Christmas sale, which we're selling right now for the Christmas sale is jade and tourmaline, jade vitality mats, Gunolite and Fotizo for light therapy, and CES Ultra for anxiety and insomnia. So on the very first part of the email, you can cut and paste posts that you can put into Facebook. You could put them into Twitter. You can put them anywhere where you make a statement, a quick statement. So all you would need to do is just cut and paste one of those, and you can go and put that onto your social media and paste it in there. Say you wanted to do that 4 or 5 days in a row. Every day that you could cut and paste these into your social media throughout the next few days, depending on which products you wanted to talk about. Also, if you like to be sending out emails regarding our Christmas sale, and you guys are getting 20% commissions on all emails that come through, or all purchases that come through from your affiliate program, all you would need to do is cut and paste these emails, and there's one right there. So you want to cut all the way down to the dotted line and then just cut that, and you could go right into your email. If you have all your list in your email, or your another way that you send out emails to your community, you can put that information in immediately, and that right there, how it is sent to you will give you credit anytime a person clicks on a link and comes to your site. So I'll show you what it looks like there. I just clicked on that link and it took me right to our Miridia Technology page with credit going to that affiliate, which would be myself. So if you're the affiliate yourself, that would have your tag on the very end. So yes, please take advantage of this. This is a great way to make extra money, and we are sending out big checks to affiliates all over the world these holidays and throughout the year. Again, if you're not signed up as an affiliate with Miridia Tech, it is for free. And right now we have some incredible incentives, especially with Auriculo 360 that is still going on. So $20 will be sent to you for anyone that signs up for the free trial. That is an incredible deal. I don't know of a better deal that exists anywhere on the internet right now than that. So please take advantage of that, and I'd love to see 1,000, 5,000 people sign up for that. We'd love to be sending out checks all over the world. So again, happy holidays, and if you have any questions, call us here at Miridia Tech. I will jump on the phone. I'll jump on a Zoom meeting with you. I'll walk you through it, and we'll get you set up however you need to make sure that your site is working correctly and that you're getting credit and referring people appropriately. Thank you and happy holidays.